no matter how finished your face looks, if you don't have this next block in your beauty bag, you're not done yet, girl. Everybody needs this fourth block that we're gonna add to our beauty bag today, and that is none other than mascara. But not just any mascara. This is the Epic Mascara. This is our one-step traditional mascara, but honestly, there is nothing traditional about this product. It makes your lashes insane. Crazy insane. Gorgeous insane. Like, people are gonna be staring at your eyes all day insane. Let me show you how this works. Unlike our 3D fiber lashes, this is just one step. All you do is apply it like normal mascara. This mascara is so amazing because it separates every single lash on your eyeball. Every single one. It gets a coat of mascara on all of your lashes. It also has special polymers in it. What are polymers? I'm gonna tell you. Polymers are an agent that actually allows the mascara to kind of elongate the lash, making your lashes appear thicker and fuller and longer. Who doesn't want that? Another little trick that I have for my mascara is that I always accentuate the outer corner of the eye. This is gonna lift your eye up, giving the appearance of even bigger eyes and fuller lashes. Now that we have our lashes on, our face is almost complete, and so is our Build a Beauty routine. We're almost there. We just have one more final block to add to your bag so that you have the perfect foundation to build your beauty routine from. Our fifth and final block in our Build a Beauty bag is, you've probably already guessed it, brows. Brows are the #1 causing factor to tell you a woman's age on her face without you even realizing it. It's the first place we begin to thin and lose our hair. Did you know that? So as you age, your brows get thinner, they get sparser. So we're gonna turn back time and add a little brow back to your face. Brows are also important because they frame your face. It's gonna bring, again, like we did with our contoured bronzer, it's gonna bring people's eyes back down where you want them, right at your eyes. So let's get started on this. This is our brow liner. There's 3 colors: medium, light, and dark. Light, medium, dark. I'm gonna use the dark one for my brows, but truthfully, I could go anywhere between a medium and a dark liner. First, you wanna take the spoolie end of the liner and brush your brows down. This is gonna look a little crazy at first, and then twist your liner up, and we're just going to draw a line for where the brows should be. You wanna start right at the corner of your eye, and then right about at the end of the corner of this side of the eye, you want to start bringing the brow down. And fill in any spots that need a little bit of color. Finally, you want to take the spoolie side of the brush and brush your brows back up. Take the liner again and draw a line under the brow for where the brow should be. Now here's the best part. The spoolie is now gonna take that color and pull it into the hair so that it looks super natural and as if you didn't even do a thing to your brows. You just woke up with fabulous brows. And there you have it, your perfect brow. Wait, one last bonus block. I couldn't go through this entire series without putting this in your beauty routine. So as a bonus block, just to up your lash game, girl, you need the 3D Fiber Lash Mascara. It's amazing over top of the already amazing Epic Mascara. So let me show you what it looks like real quick, and you can add this to your beauty bag too. All right, I've given you 5 blocks for your beauty bag for you to create the perfect foundation for your beauty routine. Let's go over them one more time. Here's your beauty bag. You get to choose between a liquid foundation and the BB cream, which is a hydrating moisturizer foundation. You also need a luminizer, and you can choose between any 3 of these luminizers. The liquid luminizer, which I added to my foundation to just kind of give me a luminescent glow all over. My personal favorite, the powder luminizer that I love on my cheekbones just to highlight the different areas of my face to make it look like the sun is always shining perfectly on me. Or the cream to powder stick luminizer, which is also fabulous on those highlighted areas of your face, but I truly love wearing it on my lips. Next, we brought in some warmth and definition with our Beachfront Bronzer. Comes in 3 different colors, light, medium, and dark, and this is gonna create dimension on your face as well as just add a little bit of warmth and get you all ready for summer. What would a beauty routine be without mascara? You're gonna get the Epic Mascara. This is a fabulous one-step mascara that has polymers in it. And we learned what those are. They're gonna lengthen and give the appearance of volume and length on your lashes that you never knew you had. Finally, you're gonna get your brows back, girl, with this brow liner. We got the cute little spoolie on the end, liner on the other side. Simple, easy brow application to keep the youth in your face and to keep people's eyes where they need to be, right here. But of course, I'm not gonna give you and build you this entire beauty routine without giving you the bag for free. Yes, this fabulous little purse bag beauty routine extravaganza, it's gonna come with your beauty building blocks. So just comment below blocks and I'm gonna get this for you and ship it out right away so that you can get started on this beauty routine of your own. Thanks for tuning in this week. Thanks for being a part of this. I have loved sharing my tips and tricks with you and building this beauty foundation.